Hi everyone. Today in this video I'll be discussing with you about some of the important questions and answers of chapter The Tiny Teacher of your NCERT supplementary textbook. So let's start. Question number 1. In what ways is an ant's life peaceful? Answer. An ant's life is peaceful because each does its work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. Each member has a designated place to stay and a definite work to do. A soldier ant never goes to search for food, and similarly, a worker never enters the domain of the soldier ant. No worker or soldier has harmed any grub. Each one loyally and diligently does his duty and relentlessly carries on with their work peacefully. They know sharing and contribution and do not interfere in each other's work. Question number 2. Mention 3 things that we can learn from the tiny teacher. Give reasons for choosing these items. Answer. Though ants are very small and unassertive, they are undoubtedly great teachers for our life. We can learn teamwork as ants do their work by sharing and contributing without interfering in each other's work. We can learn hard work as ants spend most of their time in doing their respective jobs without hesitation. We can learn loyalty, power of cohesive work and discipline as ants live a disciplined life and always follow the rules of the group and are loyal towards it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon and don't forget to like, comment and share my video. Bye.